Hey Risers, hope you're having a great day. Today I'm inside the RV. We are traveling the country helping real estate agents build careers that they love. And today I just want to cover what are we going to do in 2021. 2020 was crazy, was it not? And I think 2021 is going to be just as crazy, if not crazier. We've got really tight inventory. We've got challenges galore in this market, and I want to help you navigate through them. Stick around.
And I won't waste it.
Today, I want to give you advice as you head into 2021. We're in some interesting times right now, and the market is so low on inventory. And here's the thing. I think that agents in 2021 need to focus on creating inventory. I mean, how do we create inventory? I don't want you changing your plan. We always talk about having the 3-pillar plan where we're working with our sphere of influence. We have a chase pillar and we have an attraction pillar. And if you want more information on that, you can go to the AGENTRISE website or text the word AGENTRISE to 44222. Putting all of that aside, we have to focus on creating inventory in 2021. So how do we create inventory? Well, we mail letters, we make phone calls. We have to find off-market deals because, guys, it's just so competitive on the market. And I know a lot of you are experiencing that. So instead of complaining about it, let's do something about it, and let's go out there and let's find people that want to sell their home. And I'm telling you, off-market is where it's at. And you're saying, well, off-market's hard because I've got to negotiate for my commission. Yes, I get that. But would you rather have a difficult time negotiating for your commission or being one out of 15 offers and writing offer after offer after offer and never getting anything accepted? So do the hard thing and go after for sale by owners. Go after off-market deals. Put them together because this is where it's at right now in 2021. Some other advice for you around off-market deals, the letters that I think are great are letters to neighborhoods that you have a buyer for, letters to old expireds. Go back to 2015, 2016, 17, and write letters to those old expireds that never sold. They might still be interested in selling. And if you have a buyer that's interested in their house, write them a letter or knock on their door or give them a call. Do some of the things to step out of your comfort zone because that's what we're going to have to do in 2021. Truthfully, I look at this market just as bad as the market during the recession. It's just the opposite. We had so many sellers and not enough buyers. And it's just flipped right now. We have so many buyers and not enough sellers. But either way, the market is tough. And trust me, this is going to come to an end. Inventory is going to increase, and I think it's going to start to happen in 2021. And when inventory increases, things are going to get easier. But right now, in the beginning of 2021, it's very difficult. So create that inventory. I also think in 2021, we need to change the way we're working to convert our lead. I think a lot of us are calling buyers to check in, to stay in the loop. Instead of doing that, call them with what they want. And what they want is a house, right? A buyer wants a house. That's how simple real estate is. A buyer wants a house and a seller wants a buyer. So keep it really simple and do what we call is matchmaking. Matchmaking is where you get the consumer's search criteria and their contact information, and you go look for a property for them and you call them with it. So instead of making this lame call of, hey, this is Neil, just calling to check in, just calling to stay in the loop, instead of making that call, you're making the call of, hey, this is Neil. I know that you're looking for this, and I found this one that just came up on the market. I saw it and I thought of you. Give me a call back when you get a chance, and I'll tell you more about it. Now that's going to get people to call you back. So it's a game changer when it comes to conversion. And I think that is where it's at in 2021. And the last thing that I want to go over with you today is the change in how we're using big tech and using email drip campaigns. I think that the consumer sees right through these email drip campaigns. And I don't want to say stop using email drip campaigns because we're still putting deals together because of email drip campaigns. So keep the email drip campaigns going, but add matchmaking. And I'm telling you, the consumer, when you call them with what they want, it's a game changer. I know my wife and I, we full-time RV. We bought an RV last year, and I met a lot of different salesmen. And I would have salesmen that would call and check in with me and see how my search is going. I'm sorry, Randy, I don't want to keep you in the loop. But if you called me and told me that you had a Grand Design Momentum 395 sitting on your lot, I would be calling you back and I would be there in a heartbeat. So it's a big difference. And a lot of us are calling our consumers, are calling our buyers and calling to check in with them, and it's just not working anymore. So we've got to go the extra mile. We've got to find properties for them. Find off-market properties because they don't know about those yet. So it can be a real game changer for you, and I think it's going to help you propel in 2021. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and hit that bell so you're notified every time we put out a video. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and like always, remember to be the reason somebody smiles today.
And I won't waste it.